Is the internet dying or do you just not trust it anymore? There's been so many times where I've read something online and gone to the comment section to see everyone calling it an LLM bot post, and I just feel stupid for having empathized and actually thought about it. And it's not just a handful of social media companies doing this. The Gen AI content growth trend is bigger than any single company. But what this does is build distrust in the posts you're seeing, the comments you're reading, and the algorithm that's feeding you all of this. Like, is this person talking weird or are they not a person? It used to be easier to tell when LLM text sounded like it, but now models can write in a specific way for a specific niche. And despite what people try to do, it's impossible for everyone to check that every piece of content they consume is by a human. And the growth of Gen AI content on these platforms is not just a result of the widespread usage of the technology itself. When you have happily declaring that social media is now centered around AI, and Meta is launching products to help more Gen AI content to be made. The key metric is engagement, so who cares where it came from, right? So you did build your algorithm brick by brick, but only within the confines of what the platform allows you to see. And it's a maths problem, really, because user-generated content can never scale in the same way that automated content can, so it will get drowned out. Now, with the dead internet theory seemingly growing in credibility day by day, there is a bubbling unsettledness and paranoia. Something is really wrong here, and knowing this changes how you view things and what they're worth to you. Studies show that users prefer identical content without the AI-generated label, and the key underlying this is authenticity. Originality is valued. People care about not just what you're speaking on, but also your opinions on it. And the problem isn't simply bot versus humans either. Online text is becoming more and more homogenous because everyone is, passing their writing through LLMs. The converging of writing style is sad, and the converging of key points and takes is terrifying. So what can you do in a world where everything is either directly coming from or indirectly flowing through Gen AI? Maybe the answer is old school. In-person meetups where this doubt isn't present at all. And honestly, it ties into the other trends that we're seeing, such as Gen Z's leaving dating apps for running clubs and hiking clubs. The internet has strayed from its glory days of grassroots discussions, and people are going to try to find a place somewhere else to connect with others. There's a fundamental difference to how in-person socializing works. If we think about how online discourse plays out, it's asynchronous and editable. You can do it whenever you want and spend as long on it as you like. However, in real life, conversation is turn-based. Both parties are engaged, and the beauty is you can go off on a tangent from a spark, whether it be from something funny that was said or just something completely random that popped into your head, and it doesn't give you the space to fact check yourself or be fake. Well, until Meta Glasses add a feature to let you prompt on the fly anyway.